Kumot mo yan, ayusin mo. Sabi mo yan, ang kumot mo eh. Ganyan ba yan? Kaya mong ipaayos sa akin.
Something is stuck in the chimney. Let's see what it is. Letter O. O is for octopus. Octopus. Octopus will show us where to put the letter.
Magtatatlong taong ka na, hindi ka pa marunong mag-ayos ha.
No more letters hiding up here. We need to check the living room. Is there a letter hiding under the mat? Letter P. P is for pizza. Pizza. Pizza smells so yummy. Do you like pizza? Pop in letter P. Hurrah! What's this letter called that's hiding next to the TV cabinet? Letter Q. Good job. Q is for queen. Queen. Hello, Queen Barbie. Will you help to put the letter Q on the puzzle board? Yes, friends, you're right. There's a letter hiding under the chair, isn't there? Letter R. R is for
Yes mo, ayos na yan?
robot. Hurrah! Right this way, letter R.
Ha?
Back to your home. Look, friends.
Okay na?
Letter sleeping on the sofa. Let's wake it up. Which
Opo.
letter is it?
Apa.
Letter S.
Apa.
S is for strawberry. Strawberry.
Good night.
It's a squishy, squashy strawberry.
Kiss mo ako.
Slot into place, letter S. All the letters in the living room are found. Let's take a look in the bathroom. There's lots of places.
Si mama, kiss mo si mama.
Look here on top of the washing
Kiss mo si mama, kiss.
letter G.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mama,
Mama.
love you.
Show us
Big.
something. T is for tea.
Bye-bye.
Ouch.
Ebing.
Mr. Crocodile.
Hmm.
There. Letter T is back home.
Malis ka dyan.
Another line of letters found.